guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Samsung stove C-F2 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the C-F2 error code on Samsung stove indicates a communication issue between the touchpad and the main control board. So this is caused by a malfunctioning touchpad, a faulty ribbon cable, or a damaged control board. So how do you fix this? So first is you want to inspect the touchpad. Now, in this case, you want to turn off your stove here and unplug it from the power source first. So safety first. And you want to remove the front panel to access the touchpad. Now, from then on, you want to check for damage such as burns, corrosion, or wear and tear. Now, if the touchpad is faulty, replace it with a new one. And from then on, reassemble the stove and turn it on to see if the error is cleared. Next is you want to basically inspect the ribbon cable. Now again, turn off and unplug your stove. Remove the front panel or front access ribbon. In this case, front panel to access your ribbon cable, and check if the cable is dirty. Now clean it using a dry, clean cloth. Let it dry completely. Now inspect for physical damage, and if damaged, place it with a new ribbon cable. Reassemble the stove and power it on to test. And lastly, you could also inspect the control board. Now again, turn off and unplug your stove, remove the front panel, and access your control board. Now test the control board for continuity using a multimeter, inspect for visible damage, and from then on, replace any damaged components or the entire control board if necessary, and reassemble the stove and turn it back on. Now, if you can't do this yourself and you're having problems accessing what we just told you before, it's best to contact Samsung support in their official hotline to get assistance. So typically speaking, they will connect you with a technician that could actually help with fixing your problem here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.